Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today is day 2. I'm canning potatoes. We're going to finish everything up today and I'm going to show you guys how it goes as the day progresses. Good morning y'all. It's almost 7. The sun's not even out yet and I just put in my biggest potato. This is that 7-pounder. I'm going to flip him over in a minute. We're just boiling this long enough to make the skin loose so I can pull those off. I have some errands to run this morning, so I got up super early so I could start my canner. This is going to come up to pressure pretty soon. I just turned it on. And then when I get back, I'll have all these other potatoes waiting on me so that I can get my next canner ready. These are all the potatoes that I canned yesterday. This is 28 quarts. I did my canner 4 times yesterday. And I'm hoping to get the rest knocked out with 3 today. I want to leave a few for just baking and obviously my slips so that I can grow more in the spring. So I'm thinking the rest of my counter is going to be full by the end of the day and my floor will be clean. Okay y'all, right now I am watching the live stream Danny and Wonder putting on. She's smack talking right now. So I'm going to ignore that. This is my biggest potato. This was my 7-pounder. And I'm about to peel this guy and then I only have 2 more cannons to go. So this will go in one of them. We'll see how many jars this ends up being. And then I think I'm going to win. Okay y'all, I have that 7-pounder all cut up now. It's all peeled. I'm going to cover this in water so that as I'm chopping it up, it doesn't turn black because the inside is not cooked. And though I had it in boiling water, that just is to loosen the skin. So I don't want this to turn black while I'm cutting it up and putting it into jars. So I'm going to cover it in water. I don't normally do this. I do it a potato at a time and I fill a jar and then I put my hot water in. But this one is so big that it's going to take me a little time. So I'm going to use some water to delay that oxidation process. Okay guys, Wanda has already won. My last canner is coming up to pressure. It's 6:11 at night, so when this shuts off, I'll be finished. This is what my counter is looking like right now, plus these 7. And I still have this giant bowl and a pot. In the pot though, are the ones that were smaller mostly, and these all got kind of mushy, and so I didn't want to can these anyway. But I'm not running my canner just for this bowl. That would be silly. So I'm probably going to boil these in the morning, mash them, and freeze them so that I can just pop those out first. I'll just use those before I use any of my canned. And then in my hallway, this is where I have been storing some of my potatoes on this bookshelf. These, I mean, like, there's nothing to do with these. I don't think these are big enough to make it through winter. And to use for slips, I don't know those, so I'm going to keep them anyway and just see. These we will eat fresh, so this is all that I kept for fresh. We have been enjoying these, and so, like, this is all that I wanted to keep out. I wanted just to have them canned and put up for winter. And there you have it, a full 2 days of canning sweet potatoes. I ended up with 48 jars. Super happy about that. I'm going to have this bowl to put in the freezer another pot to boil, put those in the freezer, or I may make something spectacular tomorrow. I don't know. If you would like to see me make sweet potato bars, I have made those before. You can see that video in the cards above at Crazy Days. Wanda showed me herself how to make that. And Sunshine and I both approve this recipe. It's wonderful. It's delicious. That's probably what I'm going to make with the remainder of these. And it's been really fun. If you ever have a crazy hard task to accomplish and you're just like, I am dreading this, I hate this, whatever, find a friend, challenge that friend, and make it fun. Wanda and I had a blast just bantering back and forth over the last 2 days, like who's going to win? She won fair and square. I had to go to town this morning, and so I was not able to can consistently throughout the day. That's why I'm so late getting done. But it was really fun because it motivated me to do something that I would have taken weeks to do on my own, and her probably too. She's been dragging her feet there at the end as well, but now we're both done and we can move on to bigger and better things. We were on the phone earlier and asked her what she wanted for winning, and she said, hey, I loved that book that you had the other day. She looked through this book with me. This is the Living Book from Modern Essentials. I don't remember what edition this is, but anyway, she really loved it. It's full of recipes, cooking recipes, cleaning recipes, crafts, all kind of stuff that you can do with essential oils. So if that is something you're interested in, it's a great book. So this is what she won. I'm going to be sending this to her this coming week. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us go back and forth in this challenge. It's been really fun. I hope it inspires you to grab a friend and get something done that you were dreading. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.